Hey guys, today we are going to take the Reliance Jio SIM card, and here we are at the Reliance store. I have heard that they are giving the Reliance card to everyone, like whoever has a 4G device. So we'll just check out. There is a huge line, as my friend said. Let's see. So after 1.5 hours, I have got the card, and it's a big line. See to it that you have all the originals that you get along to get the Jio card. Hey guys, so I'm back home. Well, I have got the digital life Geo SIM cards. I have got two of them, one for my dad and one for me. Well, you don't have to carry anything except the Aadhaar card. Whichever document you take, just get the originals around. I wasn't having my originals, so I had to take the cards on my dad's documents. Nothing else. They will just be asking you for the 4G device. They won't be taking any EMI number, IMI number, or anything such sort of stuff. It's a normal procedure to get the SIM card, and they are giving it to anyone who has a 4G device or who says that he has a 4G device. The card has been activated after 3 days of you taking it and registering. Mind it that they check all the details. You fill all the fields in the form properly in capital letters, and it's a long procedure. They have just two seats for filling the forms, and they don't give the form to you to fill it and then they will verify it. They will sit before you, they will sit in front of you, and they will ask you to fill the form properly, taking the details from the card, Aadhaar card, whichever card you give. The details should match properly, and the spellings on all the documents should be same of your names. Sometimes the spelling of the names is different, so see to it that you take only that document that has all the spellings and all address stuff same. Aadhaar card is the best thing to take, and take two photos or two documents whichever you need. I went to the Prabhadevi store. My friend Neil was there. He's from Top Deal Zone, so he actually gives offers. You can subscribe to Top Deal Zone, and you can get updates about the scheme like at the faster rate. You can subscribe to the WhatsApp number, and you can get the updates on your WhatsApp or somewhat like that. Or you can get a mail if you subscribe to the website. It's topdealzone.com. And if you want tech related stuff, you can subscribe to my channel Rohit FPV on YouTube. Yeah. So thank you. You can get the Reliance Jio from any retail store, any Reliance Digital Express store, and yeah, it's available for all 4G phones.